Hope everybody have completed their work till this CAGR growth. Till CAGR growth, hope you all have completed. Let us deep dive some more. Friends, you would be expecting your companies to grow by 20% CAGR. But see, it is not possible each and every year because in real term, economy doesn't move in a straight line. There are problems several years. So if you are checking the history of around 2 decades, there will be time, there will be some problem times when your company's sales were suffering. Let us check when their sales were suffering. So first here I will check pairs. Let me check when company was not able to grow the sales of pair in real term. Can you see? In 2017. So this was the year. Let me color it by this red, light red, a little bit right here. Yeah. So company was able to grow the sales of their pair each and every year. This is a very bright history. During last 13 years, we have seen only one single year where number of pairs which were sold by Relaxo have decreased, right? What would be the reason? Now, if only Relaxo sales were decreased, then it was bad. If Bata's sales were decreased, if other shoes sales were decreased, then it's all right. Right? It was similar thing. You should check this thing. Now, let me check the same things with the sales because if number of pairs will be decreased, it should affect the sales. Let me still check their whole total history. They have grown from 150 crore, 200, 216. Here, in the year 2006, their net sales have decreased. One red mark here, 236, 306, 400, 500, 700, 800, 1000, 1200, 14, 17, 1652. Here again, one more red mark. 19 and 2300. So this is called as a real bright future. Can you believe it? That during last 16 years, there were only two instances when their sales were down. That's a really good thing. Tell me what happened in your company which you were analyzing. How many times your sales were down during last 16 years? Friends, be prepared in advance. If your sales were down 2 times in last 16 years, should be prepared. In coming 16 years, we may see 2, 3 or 1 years when your sales may go down. Don't get worried or sell your stock because sales is down. This is a normal thing which we may see in any point of time. Don't expect only good things every time, right? Now, if the sales were down 2 times, the sales should have affected their profits. Let us check. Here your profit goes. See, in 2006, your sales were down and that was the reason your profits were down. A red mark here. Again, your profits, you see, your number of pairs were sold more, your sales were sold were more, and your profit have started to grow. 11, 14, 38, 27. What happened in 2011 year? Your profit have fallen. Let us do a red mark here. Again 40, 45, 66, 103, 120 and 120. So here your sales were not down, but it was flat. 161, 175. So friends, during last 16 years, we have seen only 2 or 3 years when your profits were not increased. Got it? Only 3 years were there when profit have not increased. Now tell me, If number of footwear were sold less, their sales have suffered. And if this company would have been in a very huge debt, then this company would not cannot make good profits. But this is the magic of searching debt-free companies and good margin companies. Can you see here? Despite low sales, their profits have not decreased. That is the reason you were supposed to do hard work on searching top quality companies. If you will invest in those bottommost 80% companies during last 16 years, 10 times those companies will make losses, right? High volatility in sales and profits would be there, right, friends? So this is the behavior which you should keep in your mind, and do not expect simple way in coming 15-20 years also. We should be prepared, yeah, that in coming 15 years we may see 1 or 2 years of low sales, 2-3 years of low profit. See, your sales have decreased only 2 times, but profits have decreased 3 times. Why? Because profit depend on several other factors also. Profit depend on raw material cost. Profit depend on finance. Profit depend on several different things. So it is possible that your profits are always more volatile than sales, and sales are more volatile than actual GDP. Right, friends? Hope this is clear. Friends, I will request everybody to note it down all of these things, right? And complete your homework till this place. Thank you very much.